Welcome to the YouTube classes, 10th class maths classes, class number 11. If you visit my channel first time, please do subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get more updates about my videos. Like it and share it to your friends and classmates. You do not watch my previous videos. I provide the videos in the description box, so please do watch my previous videos also. So you can say your opinion on these videos in the comment box. You can comment in the comment box. So let's go to the today's class. Evaluate each of the following terms of x and y if it is given x is equal to log 3 base 2 and y is equal to log 5 base 2. The first question is log 15 base 2. So first problem, log 15 base 2. So and as given, this is the given, and x is equal to log 3 base 2. Log 3 is equal to base 2. Log 2 is equal to base log 3 base 2. Y is equal to log 5 base 2. Log 5 base 2. Log 5 base 2. Okay. So log 15 base 2 is equal, how can we write? 3 5s are 15. What are the factors of 15? 3 5s are 15 base 2. How like this? Log x y is equal to log x plus log y. So I am going to apply this formula here. So log 15 base 2 is equal to log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 3. Already as given, what is given? So log 3 base 2 is equal, log 3 base 2 is equal to x, log 5 base 3. Log 5 base 3 is equal to y. So instead of this, I can write x, this one y, x and y. Log 15 is equal. Therefore, log 15 base 2 is equal to x plus y. So second problem, log 7.5 base 2. So here we have log 60 base 2, log 6750 base 2. These two problems we have in the third bit. So 60, you have to find the prime factorization and you have to solve the problem and write in the terms in x and y as per given values. So here also you have to find the prime factorization and you expand it and write x and y terms in x and y terms. Now I am going to teach you fourth problem, fourth bit, log 1000. What? Log 1000. We have to expand it. Log 1000. He does not give any base. So if he does not give any base, what is the base? Already I told you. Yes, you are correct. The base is 10 here. So no need to write here. Okay. Solution given log 1000. 1000 base 10. He does not give means we have to write 1000 base. So what are the 1000? I can express 10 cube and base. 10 cube and base 10. So you have to expand it, no? Sorry. So find the 5 factorization of 1000. 5 table. 5 2s are 10. 200. 5 200s are 1000. 5 40s are 5 4s are 20 40. 5 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are. So I can write like this: 1000 5 cube into 2 cube, 5 cube into 2 cube. Okay, no need to write base 10 here. 5 cube into 2 cube. So how like it is? Log x y. You can write log x plus log y. I applied here this formula and I expand it. Log 5 cube 2 cube is equal log 5 cube plus 2 cube. So now I am going to use one more logarithm formula. Log x to the power of m base a is equal to m log x base a. I apply this formula here. So what we have get here? We get 3 log 5 plus 3 log 2. So this is the expansion form of log 1000. Here we have second problem. What is the second problem? Log 128 by 625. So how to solve this? We have to write expanded form. Here we have a single log. We have to write the expanded form. So first of all, you find 5 factors of 128. Then write here. Suppose 2 cube something whatever you get, you write there. Up down also you have to write. How like it is? Log x by y. What is the log x by formula? Apply that and expand it. After that there is a powers are there, no? So you have to write in front. Two formulas you can use and solve this. So now I am going to explain now I am going to explain solve this problem. Log 128 by 625. So 5 factors of 125. 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 32s are, 2 16s are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay. Now 625 5 factorization. 5 125 is a 5 25 is a 5 5 is a. So log on 1 2 to the power of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 2 to the power of 7 by 5 to the power of 4. So how like this? Log x by y, that is equal to log x minus log y. Log x minus log y. So you can write log 2 to the power of 7 minus log 5 to the power of 4. That's equal to, so here we have a log x to the power of m, that is equal to m log x, m log x. So 7 log 2 minus 4 log 5. This is the expansion form of the log 128 by 625. So one more problem, log x square y cube z to the power of 4. So it is into, there is a no symbol means into, we have to use log xy formula. You can ask me what about z sir, we know that only xy formula. No problem, you have to write like expand like this, log xy z is equal to log x plus log x plus log y plus log z. Then use this formula and solve that formula problem. And one more problem here, log p square q cube and r. Here also you use log x by y formula and then log xy formula, then you have to use log x to the power of m formula. Okay, next fifth problem, log root of x cube by y square, log root over x cube by y square. Fifth problem, log root of x cube by y square, log x cube by y square. So it is a solution. Here we have a root over, so we can write exponential form of the root. So what is the exponential? It is the value of 1 by 2. So x cube by y square whole power y by 2, 1 by 2. So root exponent's value is 1 by 2. Understood? So next I am going to use log this so how like it is x to the power of m, x log m, x to the power of m log x. I applied this formula is here, that is equal to 1 by 2 log x cube by y square. So how like it is log x y, x by y. So we know that formula, log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. I apply this formula is here, 1 by 2 into, so log x cube minus log y square, log y square. So how like it is, one more formula I am going to use, the same formula, log x to the power of m formula I apply here, 1 by 2 into here 3 log x minus 2 log y. Then I multiply with these two terms by 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 3, 3 by 2 log x minus 1 by 2 into 2, 2 by 2 log y. So here 2 cancel. So what we have, 3 log 2, 3 by 2 log x minus log y. This is the answer. Here we see the number 5th to 9th problems. These problems are very important for our examination purpose. So you may get any one of this problem in the 10th class exam. What I am saying here, the not exactly question, you may not get the same exactly question. He modified the question and give in the exam. Previous question paper you can observe, you may get this question one or twice in the exams. So you have to must practice these questions. Okay, you may get 4 marks from this question. So now I am going to explain fifth problem. If x square plus y square is equal to 25x, then prove that 2 log xy is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Fifth problem solution. Given x square plus y square is equal to 25xy, then we have to prove 2 log x square x plus y is equal to 3 log x 3 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. So now here add 2xy on both sides. So left hand side what we have, x square plus y square plus 2xy, and also you have to add this 2xy, and right hand side also 2xy plus 2x. So here how like it is, x square plus y square plus 2xy, it is x plus y whole square. Are you understood? So this is the a plus b whole square form I applied here. So here 25x, we add 2 more xy, so totally 27xy. Okay, now it is a x plus y whole square is equal to 27xy. This one I am going to write in the, it is a exponential form, no? So I am going to write in the logarithm form. No, sorry. I am applied log on both sides. So log x plus y whole square is equal to log 27xy. Here I applied log on both sides. So how like it is log x to the power of m. So then it is a m log x. So that's why log 2 log x plus y, that is equal to log. So how like it is log xy. So I applied here log xy formula. Log xy is equal to log x plus log y. So 27 plus log x plus log y. So 2 log x plus y is equal to log 27, I can write 3 cube plus log x plus log y. So 2 log x plus y is equal to 3 log 3. Why? Because it is the power of x. So log x to the power of m is equal to m log x. So I write 3 log x, the log 3 log plus log x plus log y. Hence proved. Okay. So today I am stopped the class here. So daily you have to keep practice maths, then only you get the good marks in the annual exams. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. I will give the reply. Still, you do not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get more updates about my video, and like it and share it to your friends and classmates. If you want to see my previous videos also, if you have any doubt in my previous videos, you can watch the previous videos also. I provided links in the description box. You can watch my previous videos. So thank you for your support. Keep watching. Bye.